This is an easy must-try recipe, chicken stir-fry. I use 2 chicken breasts that I cut into thin strips as uniform as possible. Then wash with vinegar and water, drain and then pat dry. And then ready to season with salt and various spices, the regular spices that I always use. Cover and marinate for at least 20 minutes so that the chicken can soak up all the flavors from the spices. As a result of that, the stir fry chicken will be so flavorful. When making stir fry chicken, you can use any vegetables of your choice. So I'm using only sweet peppers, the yellow and the red ones, 1 small onion, 2 cloves garlic, and 2 hot peppers. So I put a skillet on medium heat and then I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now I'm going to stir fry the chicken strips until they become brownish in color. They're practically cooked because there are no bones, so they're easily cooked. The chicken strips brown to my satisfaction, so I am removing them from the skillet. So now I am stir frying the fresh herbs. I want them to break down a bit so that their flavors and juices release into the skillet, but I don't want them to be too soggy. So I'm gonna like stir fry them for about 2 minutes. So now I am adding some meat and fish sauce as well as Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of soy sauce. This soy sauce is extra dark and it is low sodium. So give it a good stir. And then I return the chicken strips to the skillet and then kind of toss to let everything combine. Let all the flavors then mix up. Yeah, man. So this is basically it, this is my simple, juicy, flavorful stir-fry chicken. Hope you enjoy the recipe and you can try the recipe as well. You can try my version, my simple, easy take on the stir-fried chicken. Yeah, man. So, yeah, it is so delicious. And me fi tell you, you feel me? Yeah, man. So, what would until next time, stay love, stay blessed. Peace.